guys, what's up? It's the Darling Crew here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we upload a brand new video.
So flashback to a couple months ago when we said that we were gonna get a new doll.
And we have a new AG doll that's gonna be honey.
And now we have her right in front of us, and if you didn't know, this is a gift from American Girl Spitit, so thank you so much. If you want to know which one we chose, actually it's probably in the title.
So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's try to get this video to 40 likes.
Now let's just get on with this video. Darling from American Girl Spitit, congratulations. We hope you enjoy it. Truly Me Doll 49. Guys, this is so pretty. Wow. So it came with this little tag thing, which I'm kind of confused because she has wavy hair. Enough truth. Does she have permanent panties?
I give you fun.
It's not funny.
No, she does not have permanent panties. She has real underwear. So obviously we got Truly Me number 49. Her hair is actually shorter than we thought, but she's still really pretty.
She has really beautiful blue eyes, and we don't think it's really necessary to show her outfit. Show you guys her outfit, because I mean,
I'm pretty sure you guys all know how Truly Me outfits look like, and if you don't, we did do like an unboxing of Truly Me number 61. We'll link it down below.
and now we're going to be revealing her name, which is Anila Aubrey.
Yeah.
So her name's Anila, and her second name is Aubrey. Alright guys, so this concludes the end of this video.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below your thoughts on Anila.
Should we do a question of the day? Question of the day?
What is your dream doll? Didn't we already do this question?
Yeah, we did this last year.
See that in all of the videos. Question of the day is, if you could reprise AG dolls, how much would you sell it for?
Yes, cheaper or more expensive? Comment down below.
Comment down below, and you'll get a shout out in our next week's video.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Psych! So obviously we got Truly Me number 49. She's actually really pretty. Her hair is actually shorter than we thought. Did you say cringy?
Is it pretty?
Oh, I thought I said cringy. I was like, oh.
Oh, the question of the day is, okay, the question of the day is, what's your favorite Truly Me jacket? I'm just kidding.